Hey guys, in this video we are going to repaint this oil pan. As you can see, has seen a lot, has seen better days, and this is my Evolution oil pan. As you can see, it's really dirty, scratched up, cuffed up, so we are going to repaint it at least, so it's gonna look nice again. We're going to start cleaning this side, and then we are going to use the scorp pet to make it a paintable surface. And for that we're going to use the scratching of the old sealer, using this 360 scuffing pad from AutoZone. It's like $5. Also, I bought the VIII high temperature roll bar and chassis paint. We're going to use this. I got some brake cleaner from AutoZone. It was around $3. 99% alcohol in a spray bottle. It's much easier to use that way. And the respiratory mask for spray painting, you know, not to inhale the harmful fumes, etc. It's really good to have one around. Alright, let's see. First we're gonna remove the old sealant.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with.
Now that the old sealant is off, you should get a surface similar to this one. Nice and smooth. No scratches at all. Nothing. And if you find spots like this on the surface, you can carefully repaint it, or you can just leave it alone when you put a new sealer on, because it's gonna cover everything. So you don't have to worry about it at all.
Now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
need two more things, a cardboard and some tape.
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. Yeah, you'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
So this is how it looks like after the fourth coat. I could have done a better job, I know, but since this is just the oil pen and no one's gonna notice it, I don't care that much. I like how it turned out. So that's it folks for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And in the next video I will show you the progress on the car's body, and I'm gonna start assembling the engine. So stay tuned and see you guys in the next one.